Today you can say I am in the very stunning, beautiful area. Newcastle Island is the beauty of the ocean edge. So something that only you can say summer. So sometime this the plates of the oceans. Because that's ocean get violent. The Pacific Ocean has the very narrow path from Victoria to Tofino. So when it get violent, all pressure come this area. So this, imagine that if there is no water in the ocean, especially in the deep ocean, so this is the actual view that only rarely you can see. A lot of sea species, and now it is dry, that's why I can walk, but it's amazing walk. It's a very hot, really, honestly. It's like a nature beauty of this place. So if you come this area, you must come here, really. You will experience the, when suppose there is no water in ocean, how the ocean will look like. So this is the actual ocean look like if there is no water. So I want to show you the species. You see this, maybe there is some diamond. If somebody know the tricks how to search the diamond here. If I get few. Oh, very tricky water. Have you experienced such amazing? Then you come here, please. See actual taste of ocean rock and ocean bottom when there is no water. This is the ocean. The biggest, you can say, gift of God is water. If no water, you see how ocean is look like. So I'm looking the way a lot of very difficult track to go corner. Red tree. I really enjoy a lot to come this amazing island. See black rock. The rough oceans. See, ferry is going there.